Good morning everybody, boys and girls, class 5. Today I start grammar class. So in the previous day I have already completed chapter 11, simple present, simple past and simple future. Today I discuss continuous tenses, simple present continuous tense, past continuous tense. So, first of all, what do you mean by continuous tense? Continuous means the work which continues, which is running on, that is called continuous. So, continue, which work is continuing going on, that is called continuous. So, continuous tenses are also called progressive tense. Okay? Now, there are three types of continuous tense: present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. So today, first of all, I discuss what is called present continuous tense. So if any action continues in the present time, that is called present continuous tense. That is, I am eating rice, we are reading books, the boys are playing now. These are called continuous tense. And what is the rules? The boys are playing, that is, first of all, the boys subject, उसके बाद are, verb to be are, and play main verb, उसके साथ ing. So rules, that is the method of making continuous tense, present continuous tense, that is first of all subject, उसके बाद verb to be, according to subject you put am, is, are. I subject होगा I am eating, he subject होगा he is eating, they subject होगा they are eating, you are eating. ऐसे actually subject, उसके बाद am, is, are, according to subject, उसके बाद main verb, verb 1 and plus ing. Place होगा playing, eat होगा eating, sing होगा singing. The girls are singing, the boys are playing. Okay, this is called present continuous tense. Then I come past continuous tense. That is, if the action continues in the past time, that is called past continuous tense. And what is the rules of past continuous tense? You put first of all subject, उसके बाद first verb to be form of past tense, that is was or were. According to subject you put was or were. He was but they were. He was eating rice but they were eating rice. Okay, you के बाद were, you were. He, she, it was. Okay, that is he was going to school, I was doing my work, etc. etc. The rule subject was or were, then verb 1, that is main verb, उसके बाद ing, उसके साथ ing, you add ing. Okay, future continuous tense. What is called future continuous tense? If the action will continue in the future time, that is called future continuous tense. That is, rules subject, उसके बाद will be or shall be, उसके बाद main verb, उसके बाद ing. You will be singing tomorrow. Okay, so they will be eating mangoes tomorrow. Okay, and okay, this is your rules and this is the definition of present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Now, where do we use present continuous tenses? Now I discuss. That is, number 1, to describe an action that is happening at the moment. That is, example, it is raining heavily. Now it is raining heavily. So, to describe an action that is happening at the moment. Number 2, to describe a temporary event or situation. That is, Mohit generally commutes by bus, but he is driving his car today. Okay, present continuous tense use. Number 3, to show continued action over a longer period of time. My father is teaching in a convent school. He is teaching in for a longer time. He is teaching in a convent school. Number 4, to show current involvement with action. That is, Ritesh is working on his project. Current event. Okay. Number 5, to emphasize a continuing series of repeated action. That is, those ladies are always quarreling. Continue, habit. Okay. 6, to show that something is changing or developing. The baby is growing up quickly. Okay. 7. To indicate that something has been planned will happen in the future. Something has been, you will planning something and it will happen to future. That is, Mr. Sharma is joining into his new company next month. He is joining, that is, he is planning to join his company. Okay, this is the rules, this is the system where we use present continuous tense. Okay, I will show you these pages next later. Next, I explain where we use past continuous tense. Okay, that is number 1, to denote a continued action in the past. The action which is continuing in the past. He was working hard to pass in the exam. That is continued in the past tense. To denote that one action was interpreted by the other. That is, they were working on their laptop when their friends came. Their friends came, when their friends came, they were continuing, they were working in their laptop. Okay. Number 3, to describe the mood or an atmosphere at a point of time in the past. That is, we were singing when the guest arrived. Okay. Number 4, to describe continued habits in the past with words like usually, always and continually. That is, they were always fighting with us. They were coming our house, they were continually coming to our house, they are occasionally come to our house, etc. and etc. So these are the rules where we use past continuous tense. So in first of all we explain what is called continuous tense. Then there are 3 types of continuous tense: present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. The action which is continuous present time, that is called present continuous tense. Rules, subject, उसके बाद am is are, उसके बाद verb plus ing. Past continuous पहले subject, उसके बाद was or were, verb to be according to subject, and then main verb, verb 1 plus ing. Future continuous tense, subject, उसके बाद will be, shall be, then verb 1 plus ing. This is the rules. And where we use simple future tense, like simple present continuous tense and present past continuous tense, I describe in this class. Now in these 2 tenses I show you the pages. Okay. So today I explained what is called continuous tenses, how many types of continuous tenses, and where we use present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Next day I explain future continuous tense and where we use future continuous tense, and some exercises also I will do in the class. And today I explain present continuous and past continuous. Okay, you will learn this at your home. Okay, thank you.